Thank you for your purchase of Funride's Daisy Garden Swing. The musical garden swing that provides safety and comfort for your loved one. Funride's Daisy Garden Swing comes with strong and sturdy base support with must-have safety and unique features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble using these parts. You will also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, insert the provided two AA batteries on the back of the musical tray to activate bright and colorful LED lights with fun music. Next, slide the swing fitting pipes into the musical tray both sides and lock in place by using the provided nut and bolt. Let's prepare the sturdy base for our swing by sliding the all four swing frame pipes into the base pipe. Now, guide the remaining rod through the sunshade umbrella following the seat assembly and hang it over the prepared swing base structure. Then, attach it from both sides using the provided nut and bolt. And now for the finishing touch, attach the comfortable footrest to the bottom of the seat assembly. The Tulip Swing is now ready for fun. Enjoy the Funride, the ride of happiness.